If you ever watched a YouTube video and thought to yourself, get to the point already, that is why adding chapters to your YouTube videos is essential for your audience. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can add video chapters on your next YouTube videos, and when you know the how-to, you can go back to your old YouTube videos and add the chapters as well. Video chapters break up a video into sections. For each individual portion, there's a preview to it. Video chapters add in info, context to the video so that your audience can easily re-watch the individual portion of your video. Adding chapters to your YouTube videos has two primary benefits. The first one is improved user experience. This means it is easier and faster for your audience to find information within a video. Let me show you what I mean by improved user experience. Alright, so what do I mean by improved user experience? If you look at the timeline on this particular YouTube video, you will see that the video is break up into sections. So for example, I am an audience who is interested about TubeBuddy, about this particular video. I can easily jump a section because I know which part of the video that I want to find out more information about. The second benefit is helping your video to show up more prominently in Google. So for example, I am looking for some kind of videos about Pilates. So I search in the Google and I search for Pilates for beginners, and a YouTube video came out. And if you look at this video, it has 10 key moments in this video, which shows that this video which this creator has created included the chapters within her video. So what I can do is I can just search within these key moments, and maybe I just want to see what does it mean by knee twist. So all I can do is I just go inside this particular timing, I click on it, and it will go directly to the part that I want to know more about. So this is why it's important to add video chapters for your audience, because you never know people are searching for in Google for your video, and when you have chapters, they know where is it that they want to find more information within your video. Alright, so now you already know the two benefits. I'm going to show you how you can add the video chapters in your video. I have two different methods. One is adding it manually. Another one will be adding it via a plugin. Let me show you how you can add manually inside your video. So this video that I already have the video chapters, which I indicated here as timestamp. So you can add in the timestamp or the video chapters within the description itself. And as you all know, description is always SEO friendly, so you can try to put in as many keywords as you want within the description of your video chapters. So how to add in these video chapters is easy. You just go into your YouTube studio. So imagine you already uploaded a video, alright? You already uploaded a video and you go into your content and you go to one of your video itself. Click on the pencil icon and it will go into the video details. Inside here is where you can add in the timestamp of your video itself. You need to always start with the 0 timing, which is from the first start. So always indicate the first timing as 0000. This can be the introduction, this can be like your bio or something like that. But usually I will just do like introduction, okay? And then you see at which timing of this video will jump into a new chapter or a new topic. So manually, you have to add in all these numbers, the timing numbers, into the description and add in the description of this particular section of that particular video. So for example, this timestamp that I have from 0 seconds to 43 seconds is actually an introduction. So the start of the 43 seconds of this particular video is what I talk about, what is YouTube Shorts. So it will actually last from 43 seconds to a minute and 11 seconds. So all this timing you have to do individually, and making sure that every time you click on this play icon at your video, you know which portion will appear for that video. So this is doing manually within the description itself. The second way is to add in using a plugin. So as you all know, I'm a big fan of TubeBuddy. So I use TubeBuddy to help me add in the chapters. Once you install the TubeBuddy, if you look at the top here, you will see this red icon, right? Once you are in this video details, you just have to scroll down and click on this add chapters. Okay, once you click on this add chapters, it will appear another window that shows your video itself and all the details at the bottom here. So I'm going to show you an example with a video that has no timestamp using the plugin TubeBuddy. So click on the add chapters and it will appear the video itself and the empty timeline at the bottom here. So what TubeBuddy can help you do is to add in the introduction portion, which I think is very, very essential. If you don't have this, your timestamp or your chapters will not appear on your video. Make sure that each portion or each section of your video is about 10 seconds long. It cannot be less than 10 seconds, okay? So let's say I know that this portion is the second point that I want to talk about. So all I need to do is I just go to that particular part of my video and click on this add chapter icon and I will insert the chapter title. So for example, this part is flying off to Dubai. So as I mentioned earlier on, this will mount onto your description, right? So make sure the words that you use for your chapter title is also SEO friendly, or using all the keywords that you want people to find within your video. Okay, so then the next one I can do is I maybe search again. So maybe this one is part of Dubai. Then I click on plus icon. I go in and say this is Burj Khalifa. After you are done with adding all the chapters, so for example, the whole thing is done and then you go all the way to the back and this one probably is the summary, let's say, right? So let's say you're already done with this and you know that it's already okay. All you need to do is just go in and add video. Alright, it will say that the video is automatically added to the description. You can scroll down to the description and this is all the timing that you have, which usually what I do is I will cut this portion and I will go out to the first part of my description is, and I will put maybe just after I say this portion, I just put timestamp and I paste into this portion. Usually I put my timestamp at the top so that when they're actually looking at the description itself or they're reading at the description, then they can just also click the numbering inside the description as well. So it's very important for you to know where is the part of the video that you want to add in the title of the chapter, and making sure, I'm going to repeat this again, making sure that this is SEO friendly with your keywords. So that's how two ways you can actually add in your chapter. One is manually where you skim through the video, and the other part is to use TubeBuddy plugin and it will automatically add in for you. That's it. That's how easily you can add chapters into your YouTube videos. So now it's time for you to get your hands dirty, go to your old videos and add in all the different chapters into your videos. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribe button for more valuable tips and insights. Let me know in the comment below whether you are going to use chapters for your next YouTube video. While you wait for my next video, why not check out this video where I share more about underrated features you can tap on YouTube, especially if you are a small YouTube creator like myself. You won't want to miss this. See you in the next one. This means you allow